All right, so today we're gonna bring a slim smart LED recessed lighting. All right, we're gonna open it up. Just to let you guys know, this is a 6-inch 14 watt. It has 1400 lumens. We're gonna open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. So first of all, as you can see, it's a 6-inch hole. It covers up pretty much a lot of area. It's real long, real flat. This will fit anything that you have 6-inch. Remember the 6-inch panel that you have, either you drill it or you have 4, you may want to expand to 6. All right, now there's LED lights around it, and then there's a main LED light. Of course, you get your junction box here, and you have to, of course, open it up. If you guys can see, it comes with the screws. You have your negative, you have your neutral. You get your neutral, your live, and then you have your actual ground here. So everything's all 3 in 1, and then you can punch out a hole and start setting it up. All right, prior to setting it up, make sure you download the application, because this does work with Google Home and Alexa. You are going to require the application to set up, and of course they give you instructions for the Apple Store and also the Google Play Store. All right, so just to let you guys know, download the app first, register it. If you don't have to register, if you don't want to, it's up to you, but it's an option. You have multiple controls for it, so we're gonna set it up and see how it works. So we got it flushed out from the top. We connect it. We're gonna go ahead and test it out, see how it looks. All right, first time turning it on, you're gonna get this, so you can actually set up your wireless Wi-Fi connection. Before you set it up, you got to make sure you're in the actual 2.4 hertz. You can't be in 5 hertz. So we're going to set it up and see how it controls. We're going to control it with the actual remote or our phone and see how it looks. All right, we're going to download our application to ya, and they automatically found it. If you guys can see it, it says they found the solution. So we're going to go ahead and hit in there, add. And then once we're going to set up our password for our Wi-Fi, it's installing already. We're setting up the actual connection right now. If you can see it, it's going through. It's setting up. It's doing the updates too. And if you can see, the light actually stopped blinking. All right, we're gonna go ahead and set up our program. We have our remote here, and we're gonna go into our device. If you guys can see, I'm gonna go in my device, and we're able to control the LED light. We could switch off and on. We could change the mode to yellow, pretty much, and then we could change the brightness to lower it down. If you guys can see, brightness, we'll lower it down, and we could change everything that we want from the actual controller. So we're gonna go high brightness, and then we can even change it to yellow tone. If you guys can see that, go higher. We could turn it off from here. Different color mixture. You have patterns, different color patterns. You guys can see that it's minimum requirements. We're gonna go dazzling. Look at the dazzling part. Colorful, and then gorgeous. We could go life. They have more. Good night. Let's go to audio effects. All right, so if you're gonna be gaming and while using, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. You can see the ring of the audio. Test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, and it changes different tones, of course. And then we're gonna go back to more options. You could. So let me go back into the settings, the first settings, set it up. Dim it down just to see it. If you guys can see the flush of it, it's pretty good. This is the toned down version of it, all right? And it gives plenty of light anywhere you want. It's really bright. Like it says 1400 lumens, it is 1400. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.